Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. Instagram now enables users to schedule posts and reels, enhancing time management and organization. Scheduling content can be done by selecting desired content and accessing advanced setting via the plus icon. This feature is available only for public account and is not compatible with product tagging, collaborative posts, sponsored posts, and fundraisers. It simplifies content management for businesses, creators, and users seeking to plan their posts in advance. Scheduled content on Instagram helps maintain a consistent posting schedule and reach a broader audience. Users can schedule posts with captions, location tag, and share them at optimal times for engagement. Scheduling is a valuable tool for maintaining an active presence on the platform without needing real-time posting. Next up, we have YouTube Music in the US introduces a generative AI feature for creating custom playlist artworks. The feature is part of Google's effort to incorporate generative AI into its workspace apps and is available for US-based English language users. Users can generate playlist art imagery based on various themes and options to create personalized cover art for their playlist. This feature is designed to make it easier for users to find or create relevant playlist cover. It enhances the visual appeal of personal playlists and offers customization options. YouTube plans to introduce a feature on the Home tab for quickly exploring and listening to frequently played songs and artists. This feature will be rolled out in the coming months to enhance user music discovery and playback. Microsoft's cloud business shows early sign of growth while Alphabet Google faces challenges in the September quarter. Alphabet shares fell by 7% in after-hours trading, while Microsoft share rose by 5%. Despite Alphabet beating Wall Street estimate for overall profit and sales, investors sought more significant gains in artificial intelligence. Microsoft's investment in artificial intelligence, including its partnership with OpenAI, positions it as an AI leader. Microsoft integrates OpenAI's technology into products like Bing, Microsoft 365, and GitHub. Alphabet focuses on acquiring AI startups for its cloud division but faces competition from Microsoft's established relationships. Microsoft's investment in AI and AI technologies is paying off, contributing to its cloud business growth. Qualcomm announces the Snapdragon X Elite PC chipset featuring a 12-core Oryon CPU with low power consumption. The chipset enables multiple days of battery life and is based on the 4nm process node. It integrates Qualcomm's AI engine and Hexagon NPU for various capabilities including AI processing. The chipset supports 4K displays with a 120Hz refresh rate, LPDDR5X memory with high bandwidth and up to 64GB maximum memory capacity. It features the Snapdragon X65 5G modern RF system supporting various wireless technologies such as 5G NR, LTE and Wi-Fi. PCs powered by the Snapdragon X Elite chipsets are expected to be available around mid-2024. These chipsets may compete with Apple Macs powered by Apple's in-house M series silicon. WhatsApp is introducing a new feature for its Windows native app, allowing users to open chats with unknown phone numbers. Users can initiate conversation with unknown contact without adding the phone number to their address book. This feature simplifies contacting individuals with temporary or unverified phone number. It eliminates the need to clutter the address book with unknown contact. Currently available to select beta testers using the WhatsApp beta for Windows via the Microsoft Store. The feature will gradually become available to more users in the coming days. WhatsApp aims to provide an accessible option for quick conversation with unknown contact. Next up, we have Apple announces its support for the US government's right to repair bill addressing consumer concern about device repairability. This move aligned with President Joe Biden's effort to promote competition and eliminate practices that increase consumer cost. Apple will make parts, tool and documentation for iPhone and computer repair available to independent repair shop and consumer nationwide. The decision aims to reduce cost, enhance repair accessibility and reduce electronic waste. Apple emphasizes the longevity and resale value of its device while improving repairability. The company's support for right to repair legislation is part of its long-term shift towards more repair-friendly practices. National Economic Council Director Lyle Bernard commends Apple's decision and called for congressional support of national legislation. At last, Samsung, the world's largest smartphone manufacturer, recently faced an issue where some Galaxy device users encountered a harmful error in Samsung messages. This error was primarily due to a temporary problem with Google's system, causing frustration among Galaxy users worldwide. While the issue has been resolved by Google, some users might still be experiencing this problem. The error resulted in the Samsung Message app being marked as harmful due to a device security problem pop-up. Samsung has provided a solution for affected users, suggesting a reset of app preferences. This reset action is aimed at restoring the normal functionality of the Message app and is recommended if the issue persists. The issue is a reminder of the critical role software plays in Samsung's device, complementing its high quality hardware component. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Hey there, tech buddies. Today we have got our hands on the much anticipated Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and we are going to unbox it right here, right now. Let's not keep the excitement waiting.
And there you go. There's the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. And voila, here they are, sitting snug in this sleek charging case. Now at first glance I think the design screams elegance. Oh man, but this feels premium. Samsung has gone all out with dual drivers in each bud, delivering fantastic bass and clarity. And oh, the 24-bit high sound quality is bound to make your audio experience surreal. Now let's talk juice. These buds offer up to 20 hours of playtime, and with the case, guess what? The case supports wireless charging. That's right, no string attached, literally. The touch controls are intuitive and the sensitivity is spot on, making it a breeze to control your tunes and take calls on the go. The active noise cancellation is competent, immersing you in your own world of music away from the hustle and the bustle.
There you go, folks. There's a lot more to delve into. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for a deep dive review. Got any questions or something you'd like us to cover? Drop it down in the comment section and we'll cover it for you.